everywhere are same at heart. They don't need pressure, they need understanding.
Is 0 to 6 years are really important for child development. Why do you think so?
Okay, what I think across all the education system I worked in, whether in India or abroad, the most successful learners are ones who felt emotionally secure.
Our parents, how does the day at Nalanda Gyan Jyoti looks like?
A child's day in our school at Nalanda is very calm, structured and joyful.
How are you involving and structuring training teachers to deal each and every, because you also know each and every child is different. How do we train our teachers to understand child's unique and different personality?
Exactly. Our teachers are facilitators first, not instructors.
Okay.
So it's a old theory that says the teachers are instructors. Now the teachers are facilitators. They guide the students.
Why are we good preschool for their
So
child?
to every parent feeling overwhelmed, I understand you. As a mother, I know how heavy it feels to hand over your child to someone else. So at Nalanda Gyan Jyoti, we don't take trust lightly. We promise to guide, nurture and care for your child with the same respect and warmth we would want for your own children.
Hello parents, a warm welcome from Nalanda Gyan Jyoti's official YouTube channel. So I am Dr. Divyani Rawat, Director, Nalanda Gyan Jyoti School. At Nalanda Gyan Jyoti, we have always believed that school is not about just rushing into academics. It should always be a holistic development that is emotionally, cognitively, and socially. Every decision should be guided by one question, that is this truly, is this right for the child? So today I am in conversation with our head of a school, Miss Priyanka Negi ma'am. Thank you ma'am for taking time to have a conversation with us. So ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, before we talk about the school, I would like parents to know the head who vision lead behind the school. So ma'am, can you share your academic background and experience in early childhood education?
Thank you, ma'am. I have completed my schooling under ICSE board from a city that is widely known for its strong educational culture. That environment shaped my early understanding of discipline, balance and holistic learning. I went on to complete my master's from a renowned college, and over the years my professional journey has taken me across Dehradun, Punjab, Delhi and even international classrooms. My overall experience in teaching and leadership role is over 10 years. Working across different boards, cities and cultures has given me one clear understanding. Children everywhere are same at heart. They don't need pressure, they need understanding.
So ma'am, as you have said, you have experience of wide 10 years, right? So what do you think, what drew you or your attention towards early childhood education, and why do you think early years, that is 0 to 6 years, are really important for child development? Why do you think so?
Okay, what I think across all the education system I worked in, whether in India or abroad, the most successful learners are ones who felt emotionally secure. The first 5 years shape how a child feels when learning for life. In these years, children are silently asking some questions. Can I trust the teachers around me? Is it safe to try? What happens if I make mistake? Will a teacher would yell at me or she'll love me? So I have seen children bloom simply because someone waited patiently. And I have seen confidence shrink when children were rushed. So that's why early education should never be speed. It should be about security.
Okay. So ma'am, as we have discussed earlier also, what our philosophy of Nalanda Gyan Jyoti is, we have always believed that we have always pushed children towards curiosity, developing their curiosity and confidence and independence rather than pressurized learning. So upon that, what is your vision for Nalanda Gyan Jyoti?
So ma'am,
That aligns with our philosophy.
my vision is very deep, very
Okay.
deeply personal. As a mother, I don't want my child to be ahead of others.
Oh wow, you're a mother too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I want my child to be happy,
Okay.
confident, and curious. That is the same vision I carry for a child in Nalanda Gyan Jyoti. We focus on confidence, curiosity, and independence, without comparison, without pressure. Every decision we take begins with one simple question: is it truly right for the child?
Okay. So often we tell parents that children they don't need to be taught. So they are basically natural learners. Basically, they like to discover, they like to explore, right? So, what is your take on hands-on activity? Like as we have discussed earlier, that Nalanda Gyan Jyoti believes in hands-on experience, exploration, meaningful activities through our learning lab, our hands-on activity lab. So, can you explain how learning happens in a classroom?
So, children at this age learn best through experiences. When a child pours water, they learn balance. When they build blocks, they learn problem solving. When they talk during play, language develops naturally. I have seen both as a facilitator and as a parent. Learning that comes through play and experience stays with the child, but learning that is forced, that often fades. That is why play in our classroom is always purposeful, never random.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Often we have seen there are many schools, many preschools every 500 or 1,000 meters apart. But every school has same curriculum, right? So, how will you explain to our parents how does the day at Nalanda Gyan Jyoti looks like?
Exactly. So our child's day in our school at Nalanda is very calm, structured and joyful. So our day starts with a very warm welcome to the child and a joyful and excitement welcome. So our class starts with a 40 to 45 minutes of activity lab. So we have a separate lab activity in our school. That is, I think, very unique point in our school. So it involves meaningful activities, time to explore, create, talk, and move. Nothing is rushed. I always ask myself one question: would I be comfortable to leaving my own child here for the entire day? If the answer isn't yes, we redesign the experience.
Okay. So, as you said, like you have such structured format for each and every child. But the thing is, how are we supporting our teachers as a head? How are you involving and structuring, training teachers to deal each and every, because you also know each and every child is different. How do we train our teachers to understand child's unique and different personality?
Exactly. Our teachers are facilitators first, not instructors.
Okay.
So it's a old theory that says the teachers are instructors. Now the teachers are facilitators. They guide the students. So they observe before they instruct. They respect that every child has different pace. I have seen children who wouldn't speak on day one begin to express freely simply because the teacher waited, smiled, and made them feel safe. A child who feels emotionally secure will always learn better.
So, why do you, what would you suggest to our parents? Why are we different? As I said, there are many preschools over here. What sets Nalanda apart? What sets your vision apart for the school? Can you please elaborate?
So Nalanda was built with patience and intention. We don't chase trends or shortcuts. We focus on strong foundations. We don't ask how fast the child is learning. We ask how confident does the child is. That mindset changes everything.
Okay. So, would you like to elaborate, as we are talking to our parents who are exploring schools, preschools for their kids, and they are just overwhelmed by the so many choices, as as I earlier told you, there are so many schools. They are just overjoyed by they are confused basically. So, how would you, tell our parents what sets apart, why are we good preschool for their
So
child?
to every parent feeling overwhelmed, I understand you. As a mother, I know how heavy it feels to hand over your child to someone else. So at Nalanda Gyan Jyoti, we don't take trust lightly. We promise to guide, nurture, and care for your child with the same respect and warmth we would want for your own children. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts,
Thank
sharing
you,
your
ma'am.
vision about the school. So parents, as we have discussed elaborately about the philosophy of our Nalanda Gyan Jyoti school and vision of our head of a school, Miss Priyanka Negi, ma'am. So to conclude, I would like to conclude that parents at Nalanda Gyan Jyoti School, we don't measure success by how early child reads or write. We guide them at their own pace and patiently. Thank you.